One of the common concepts my clients or potential clients struggle understanding with is the concept of a cause of action. A cause of action is basically something that gives you a right to sue somebody else for damages. For example, you could have a statutory cause of action, a cause of action based in a statute or in a law. Like for example, in the context of real estate, a lending company has certain obligations to disclose certain things like interest rates and all of the charges that they are charging you in that transaction. And if they don't disclose that and they violate that law, that statute, then you could potentially have a case for damages for that failure, for the failure to comply with that law. Now there is also what we call a common law cause of action, which is basically causes of action or legal theories that entitle to some civil damages or to money basically if there is some violation based on judge-made law. Common law is basically the decisions of the judges that accumulate over time and that gives you a right also for damages. The most typical of it is negligence. If someone, some businesses doesn't wipe the floor and someone slips and then injures, then you could have a cause of action, a theory based on negligence that business should pay you damages. So it comes in two flavors, based on law or based on the common law. Now, not everything in the law gives you a right to a cause of action. The most simple is, for example, I get clients telling me, hey, that guy was doing business for me or was providing me a service, but he didn't have a license to do that. Okay, the license law may be a violation and that person may be in trouble, but that doesn't give you a cause of action.